So today I'm going to show you guys how I get my curly hair to be nice and popping. I'm also going to show you guys how I get my natural hair, and I have 4C hair. I'm going to show you guys how I get my natural hair to blend with my curly extensions. If you haven't subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. Also thumbs up this video, and I want you guys to comment down below video ideas that you want me to do.
Alright guys, so I'm starting off with my wig cap, and I am taking my edge control. It's called the Ebin New York edge control, and I'm applying that on my baby hairs. And you guys can see this makes my hair so sleek. So I'm taking just a random, this is like a belt from a jacket, and I'm just using that to tie, to lay my baby hairs. And I'm taking my wig and I'm popping that on my head. So I'm gonna take my spray bottle, and it already has water in it, and I'm just gonna spray that. Honestly, this hair is so low maintenance. This hair is from milagoldcollection.com. I've had this hair for like 3 years now. Like, if you guys watched the last tutorial that I did with curly hair, this was the same hair that I used. I just cut it. So yeah, I'm taking my Denman brush, and I'm using that to define the curls on my hair. This stuff like works like magic. It literally defines the hell out of your curls. So I'm just using that to clump my curls together while it's wet. You don't want to do this while the hair is dry, because it will literally just ruin the whole curl pattern and everything. So this is the hair. As you can see, the curls are so pretty and so defined. So I'm taking my diffuser, and I'm just using that to dry my hair. Usually I just leave my hair wet and I just like go about my day, but today I was in a rush and I needed my hair to be dry. So I'm using my diffuser, and this is the results. I'm going to take off the scarf that I used for my edges. And as you guys can see, I have braided the front parts of my hair, so that's just the leave out, just a little bit of leave out. I'm not using a lot. I have natural hair, and it's 4C hair, so I braided it together to give it kind of like a twist out, to blend, to match the hair texture, but it's not really matching the texture, but I did the best that I could. So that is what I got. What I do is I just like put the hair into the weave. I just use like hide it together, and because my hair is natural hair, I spray some oil sheen. This is from Ebin New York as well. I'm gonna list it down below. So I'm gonna spray that on my hair to give it a little bit of shine to match the extensions. I'm gonna do my baby hair, lay it down properly. And then I'm going to take that scarf again, and I'm going to use that to lay the baby hairs. My hair is really coarse, so you guys can probably tell that it's like not matching very well with the weave, but I did the best that I could. I didn't want to straighten my hair. If I had straightened the hair and like curled it, it would have matched the weave, but I didn't want to do that. So I'm using a diffuser to lay the baby hairs properly. It's just a method that I discovered. So it just lays it a little bit better, and that's it guys. That's all for this tutorial. That's just how I get my hair ready for the day, and I just literally get up and go.
Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope I was able to show you guys how to get your hair to look like this, as well as how to blend your natural hair with your curly weave. As always, thank you so much for your love, comment, support, and your feedback. I want to wish you guys every ounce of love, joy, happiness, and success.